Welcome to Natural Living.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Natural Living. Today we have a topic that how to cure naturally the cough, cold, asthma, shortness of breath, coughing, whooping cough, shortness of breath, and all allergical cold problems. So today we have a medicine which is very good for all these symptoms. That is Lakshmi Vilas Ras. That is Divya Lakshmi Vilas Ras. It's Ayurveda, Indian Ayurveda medicine, which helps to cure all kind of cough related problem, all kind of cold related problem, blocked nose, watery discharge of the nose, post nasal drip, rhinitis, shortness of breath, asthma, congestion, chest inflammation and tightness, as well as all kind of fever, plus flu, cold, coughing, whooping cough, post nasal drip, and allergy related all kind of problems, cough related. It's a very wonderful remedy of the cough and cold. So if you are having any kind of that symptom, you definitely go for this. This is all natural remedy. You can see this is made by the herbs. There is a picture, and you will get rid of all those symptoms. If you have asthma, you just have this medication. It will help you shortness of breath naturally. You don't need any kind of steroid. It also improve your immune power because it also balance vat, cough and pitta in your body, which is gas, acid and cough, and it balance your body naturally. So this is the benefits and useful, and it doesn't have any side effects, friends. Even if you have any problem, you're taking any medication, you can club it. You should take 2 tablets in a day and 2 tablets in the evening. After food you can take this. It looks like this kind of black medicine. It's made of herb, completely natural, no side effects, and it's a very wonderful job in the cold cough remedies related problems. So here the information of the today. Hope you like it. If you like it, then please share, subscribe and like. And if you have any question, please do comment on my video, and definitely meet you in another section, in another problem, another remedy. Thank you. Bye bye.